Hey everybody, Jeff Kasmer here with another video. It's been a few days and I came across a topic that I kind of wanted to address because it's a question I get asked all the time. But let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I've been making money online for 18 years now. I am a trader with IMarketsLive and a network marketer. And I became a trader about a little bit over a year ago. I've just passed my 1 year anniversary. And it's by far the number one company that I've been involved with in 18 years. And I've been involved with some really, really good companies. Okay. So some of the other particulars, you can follow me if you want more of my videos here. You can comment, you can like. There's also a link here if you want to get on my list if you're not ready to become a member of iMarketsLive. First of all, iMarketsLive I'm blown away by the amount of value. They just recently released two new products, Pips Talk and the Gold Cup, and which is trading for gold. And they just keep adding value. They just keep adding value. So if you're interested in becoming part of our team, not my specific team, but part of our team, you can reach me on Facebook at my name, and you can send me a message through YouTube, comment, whatever, and get a hold of me. I can get you inside of our Facebook group. Our Facebook group has 6- and 7-figure earners that are on our specific team, right? So I can get you inside of our group so you can find out more about the company and more about our team, because our job is to help you, right? Our job is to help you. If we bring you aboard into the company, we want to help you. So then if you become a customer, the good thing is then we put you in another group that's just our team. So the first group is our team and prospective customers, the people who are interested in getting more information on iMarketsLive. And then if you become a customer, then you get inside of our group, which, by the way, you get additional training. 6- and 7-figure earners. They're doing twice a week sessions on trading. One of our 7-figure earners, who is a biggie in the company, all right, is part of our team and is helping people learn to trade Forex. Now, the beauty of learning to trade Forex is you don't need any experience, right? You can just trade at first with just an app on your phone called swipetrades. I'm sure most people who are interested in Forex have seen it, heard about it, etc. Okay? That's how easy it is to get on board. Swipetrades, I knew nothing about Forex industry, but an app on the phone and copy and paste, you get trades from 6- and 7-figure earners. All you have to do is copy and paste the numbers in the right spots, and you're off and running. Now, the purpose of my video today is I keep getting this question. And the question is, drum roll please, is iMarketsLive a network marketing company? Okay. And part B of that is IML more network marketing than actual trading Forex? Okay. So I'm going to address a combination of those two questions. First, when iMarketsLive first got started, their goal is to have, I believe their goal is to have 1 million customers and then maybe 1 billion customers. They have really, really high goals, okay? Network marketing is the ability of, hey, Mike, come on board my company. You can become part of our team, blah, blah, blah. Here's the product or service, okay? However, lots of times in network marketing, it is not really the product that they're selling, right? There's a product because then you can get in trouble with the FTC and then it's pyramid scheme and all that. It's really more about building that, you've heard of the pyramid, building the downline, right? More and more people under your team, okay? You get paid a lot of money. I'm going to unequivocally say this so everybody hears this, okay? If you become part of my team, I give you a link, you join under me, right? I don't get paid a lot of money. In fact, I've been with other companies that I get paid a lot more money to refer people, right? So I've been involved in network marketing, affiliate marketing. For those that are newbies, affiliate marketing is you give a link, it's your special link, they buy a product, you get paid a commission. Amazon, one of the biggest in the world, okay? I don't get paid that much money to refer customers, okay? It's enough to make it worth my while, right? but I don't get paid a lot of money to refer a single customer, right? So then the question becomes, oh, well, if you build 2, 3, 6 infinite levels, you get bonuses, stuff like that. I don't get paid a lot of money to refer people to IMarketsLive, okay? We get a certain standard fee, right? We build a team. Half the time I don't even pay attention to it. Here's why I personally do it, okay? And there are some big ones. There's some big network marketers out there that want to bring as many people on board in any company. And there is some nice, residuals if you get up to certain levels. There is a network marketing component with IMarketsLive, okay? Here's why I do it. I do it because I want to help people, right? Many, many people helped me on my journey along the way. Lots of people. The first business I was involved in, I've had advertising dollars to earn and to spend, and people have worked with me as I was building the business, okay? And cut me breaks, cut me costs, all those types of things, okay? I see people all the time on social media, in person, in real life, signs on the street corner, part-time job, make $1,000 a week, blah, 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 blah. I do it because I really do enjoy helping people make money online in Forex, right? It's a skill. I'm trying to help you learn a skill so that you don't necessarily need swipe trades, right? Now, let me be clear. Lots of people just make a killing just on swipe trades and that's it. They don't have any desire to learn Forex. That may be you. That's fine. All good, right? I just enjoy helping people. And that's why I do it. If I didn't enjoy it, or I was all about network marketing, then I'd have 5 videos per day. But as you can see, I don't. Now, I have like 50 topics of videos. I want to do a lot, right? But the beauty of working from home is, okay, I want to trade Forex, right? I want to copy and paste that swipe trade that just came in. And you have your family, right? Everybody's got their family. Everybody has their commitments, okay? So I like helping people, but I make more money trading Forex, okay? So I want to be very, very clear on that. Now, when I see those questions in social media, IML is a network marketing company. I've even had a couple potential customers say, oh, they focus too much on the network marketing. Well, here's the deal, okay? It's quite brilliant, first of all, okay, that they have a network marketing component, right? The number one reason, obviously, is to provide another source of income for the people that do want to be involved in it, who are so passionate that they want to help people, right? And there's tons of them that are IMarketLive leaders, right? But you can't join IML. They've set it up so you can't join IML, right? Unless you're referred by a customer, right? So it's set up that way for a reason. They want to help as many people as possible. Well, what better way to get the word out, right, than reward with a small commission for bringing people on board, right? In the old days, I ranked websites for a certain term and I'd get them, boom, boom, boom. I'd be on the first page of Google. Nowadays, it's different with the algorithm changes and stuff like that, right? Nowadays, you have to be careful with the FTC. You can't post, I made $6 million on this trade in Forex, right? You have to be careful, okay? We want to follow the laws. So IMarketsLive has a goal to be really, really, really big. And the only way they can be really big is not the customer that joins, it's too much marketing, network marketing, and quits. Wrong. It's about the education and trading of Forex. That is their number one goal. It is not about network marketing. And I'm going to just show you one tool. One tool that IML has. Just give you a glimpse. Take a peek. As you can see here, we're in IMarketsLive. Okay? This is every member has this option. Okay? This is IMarketsLive. And this is like IMarketsLive TV. This is our own CEO. He actually does trading that you can watch if you're a member Sundays, 11 o'clock Eastern, 8 Pacific. The CEO himself is doing trades. Now, obviously, many different languages, which is great. So let's go to English, because I speak English. Here are some of the channels, right? Forex, beginner, advanced, crypto, web, harmonic scanner. These are some of the tools, and this is even Gold Cup. This is one of the strategies that just came out. Now, this is only one section of your IML membership, okay? The IML TV, all right? So some of the things you see here, the web analyzer, harmonic scanner, there's actually a different section for those tools, but here you can watch traders using those tools and learn, because that is the purpose, right, of IML. So let me go into the Forex Basics Education. Whoa! Oh, man, wow. Wow, this is all network marketing here, right? Look at all these traders, times that they trade, that you can access at a specific time or see a recording, right? These are all master educators through IMarketsLive, right? When you are starting to learn basic Forex. What is a trade? What is that red candle? Why is that red candle going down, right? What is a Bollinger Band? So you can see some have more sessions than others. But as you can see, this is just one section of IMarketsLive, the beginner section, right? And look at all the value that you get for your membership. It's not even a question, guys. It's not even a question, right? So I've been around network marketing opportunities that you get in the back office. I'm like, not really much here, right? IML is not like that, right? So when I try to respond, when I see these posts, I try to respond that IMarketsLive doesn't necessarily advertise. They advertise to their members, right? So when you see an advertisement, the first thing you think of is, well, somebody's trying to get paid for bringing you to IMarketsLive. Yeah, of course they are. But that's not the number one goal of the company. The number one goal of the company is to teach and educate you on Forex. I knew nothing. Zero on Forex when I started over a year ago. Now, I can't say that I'm an experienced veteran, but I know a lot more now, right? And I started with a simple app on a phone called swipetrades, which, by the way, I still use today. I had a couple of trades that I put in today. So when people, phone's always ringing. So when I see comments or say, man, there's a lot of network marketing. I see IML everywhere. Well, yeah, there's people that enjoy that part of the business and bringing you on board, and they do get a commission. There's no secret to that. I think anybody who's made money online or is thinking about making money online knows that. But the number one goal of IML is to teach you, to educate you to trade Forex on your own, right? And there's so many. I just showed you one tool, one, with all kinds of master educators, all kinds of times that you can join. You can also see it live or in real time. That's just one of the great tools that you have with an IML membership. Okay? That's pretty much it. I've answered the 2 questions. If you got more questions, please post, comment, like, whatever. Subscribe to my channel. I've got like 50 more videos to do, but I'm not going to do them all today because I'm not just a network marketer. I'm a trader. Remember, see you on the other side.